Okay, 2016 Acura RDX maintenance life reset. This one's at 5%. So what you're going to want to do is go down to your steering wheel here. You're going to see your information button right here. And you're going to want to scroll. You take the arrow buttons. And you're going to want to scroll down until you get to vehicle settings. Then you're going to hit enter. And that's going to bring you to this window. And then you're going to want to go down, down, down. Usually it's always the last one. Maintenance info. You're going to want to hit select. And then you're going to choose your arrows again. Go down. Hit reset. Right here. Push that. Reset completed. And then just back out.